practitioners have been using lion dance to develop strength, endurance, and flexibility since our style's creation in 1836. In fact, it can be considered the original Kung Fu cross-training. Lion dancing builds the basics of Kung Fu like the horse dance, the bow stance, and the cross step and slanted horse. Since an adult lion head usually weighs around 10 pounds, it takes many months and even years of training to develop proper control and connection between the arms and waist. What's more, the tail spends almost the entire show bent over, which builds strong legs and backs. An often thankless job. As lion dancing evolved to include acrobatic movements, balance became an important element of training. Perhaps one of our greatest displays of skill is found in one of our most difficult feats, the double-decker. Performance is not only an entertaining cultural dance, but also a powerful display of martial skill. And as our Grandmaster says, Southern Kung Fu without lion dance is like a flower without petals.